Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's maths class. Before we get into the exercise 3.2 of the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals, let us go with some formulae which are very helpful to solve the problems from the exercise 3.2. Okay, now look at the first formula. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon of n sides is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So here n is the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, if it is a quadrilateral we have to take it as 4, pentagon n value 5, if it is hexagon n value is 6, like that we have to take and get the sum of the angles of a polygon. Now second one, each interior angle of a regular polygon. What is meant by a regular polygon? A polygon in which all sides and angles are equal is called a regular polygon. Okay, to find each angle in a regular polygon, we have to use this formula, n minus 2 into 180 degrees by n. Okay. Now here also n is the number of sides of the polygon. Now, so look at the third one. Sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. So, do you know the difference between interior angle and exterior angle? Now, look at this diagram. Otherwise, look at this diagram. So, here the angle, here 60 degrees is exterior of the quadrilateral pentagon. So, this is called an exterior angle. If you take the angle like this, for example, it is 120 degrees. So this is interior angle, exterior angle. Here exterior angle is 90 degrees. Here exterior angle is 70. Here exterior angle is x. Like that, we must know the difference between exterior and interior angles of a quadrilateral. Okay. Now let us go with the formula. Next formula. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Okay. If you want to find each exterior angle, that polygon must be regular. What is meant by regular polygon? All sides and angles are equal. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by n. And number of diagonals. This formula already we have discussed in the previous class. Number of diagonals in a polygon of n sides is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. By using this formula, we have solved some problems also. Okay, by using this formula, we can go with the exercise 3.2. Okay, please make a note. Then we will go with the exercise 3.2. Now the first problem from the exercise 3.2. So look at this. Find x in the following figures. Now look at the first problem, that is A. Here the given figure, here 125 degrees, 125 degrees and x. What type of angles they are? They formed outside the triangle. So they are called exterior angles. So these three are the exterior angles of the triangle. We have the formula. Just now I have given the list of formulae. In that, what is the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon? What is the formula? Is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, we have learned this formula. So let us add all these angles. The first exterior angle is 125 degrees, second one is 125 degrees, and third angle is x degrees. The total as per the formula is equal to 360 degrees. Now let us add 125 plus 125 is 250 degrees plus x is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 360. If you transpose 250 into RHS, we get 360 minus 250, that is 10 degrees. Okay. So thus we find the value of x by using the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle formula. Now look at this next diagram, that is B. Here also we have the exterior angles. Here it is 90, 70, x. We don't know this angle. Let us take it as P. okay, and 60 degrees. So here we have all the angles he has given, but here unknown angle P, what it would be? P is equal to P plus, what is the inside angle? 90 is equal to 180. Why? Because angles in a linear pair. Linear pair, did you remember? Whenever we have angles, adjacent angles on a straight line, their sum is equal to 180. So from this we get P is equal to 180 minus 90. So that is equal to 90 degrees. We got the value of P also. What is the value of P? 90 degrees. Now, what is the sum of the angles? Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. The same formula which we have used in the previous problem. So let us add all the angles. This is 90 plus 70 plus x plus p plus 60 is equal to 360 degrees. This implies 90 plus 70 plus 60. 90 plus 70, 160 plus 60. 220 plus x. What is the value of p? P also we can replace 90. So x plus this is equal to 360 degrees. X plus 220 plus 90 is 310 is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, what is the value of x? 360 minus 310. So here we don't have place, sufficient place. Where can I write? Let me write here. X is equal to, here I am writing here, x is equal to 360 minus 310 degrees. That is equal to 50 degrees. So the value of x of this diagram, x is 50 degrees. Okay. So we have finished the first Roman 2 problems. Now let us go with the second Roman problems. What are they? Now you look at this. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of the first one, 9 sides. Now look into the formula list. What is the second formula? Each exterior angle. What is the formula for each exterior angle? Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by n. So that is equal to 360 degrees by what is the number of sides he has given? N value is 9. So 360 degrees by 9 we get 40 degrees. Okay, here let us write here. Here n is equal to 9. So number of sides n is equal to 9. Here see, what is the, again you write the formula. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by n. So but n value is given 15. But n is equal to 15. This implies, so can I erase this? This one, don't forget to copy these 2 steps for this ending, okay? Therefore, each exterior angle is equal to 360 by n, that is 360 by n value 50. Okay? 24. Means each exterior angle is equal to 24 degrees. So we have finished 2 problems. Now let us continue the third problem. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees? Okay. So measure of an exterior angle means each exterior angle. each exterior angle of a regular polygon. What is the formula? Just look at the list of the formulae which I have given. That is 360 degrees by n. Okay? But the angle has been given as 24 degrees. So let us equate with that one. So 360 degrees by n is equal to 24. Okay? Now let us interchange the values n and 24. If you transpose n into RHS, it will come to the numerator and it will come to 360 degrees by 24 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 24. 360 by 24, if you divide, so you can divide 24 1 is 24 and 12, 24 5 is 120. Therefore n is equal to, what is the n value? 15. Okay, so therefore number of sides of the polygon n is equal to, what is this? 15. Okay, so this is the third problem. Now let us go with the fourth problem. Okay, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of its interior angle? The previous problem is about exterior angle and this one is interior angle. So as per the given data, we need to select the formula. Now look into the formulas list. So what is the each interior angle? Each interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees by n. So is it correct? Now let the angle has been given 165 degrees. Therefore let us equate with that one. 180 degrees by n is equal to, what is the angle? 165 degrees. We have to equate with that. Then we get, now see, n minus 2 into 180 degrees. If you transpose n into RHS, it multiplies 165. Okay, n into 180, 180n minus 180 into 2, 2 into 180, 360 is equal to 165n. Therefore, 180n minus 165n is equal to minus 360. If you send into RHS, 180 minus 165 is 59 is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, n is equal to 360 by 15 is equal to 24. Okay? Therefore, we have to write the final answer. Here, let us write here. Therefore, number of sides of the polygon n is equal to 24. Okay, so by solving all these problems 1, 2, 3 and 4, we have used all the formulae which were there in the formulas list. Okay, now let us continue the next problem. Now look at the fifth problem. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is as 22 degrees? So let us check if each exterior angle is, what is the value given? 22 degrees. Then what is each exterior angle of n sides? Of n sides. Then n is equal, what is the each exterior angle of a polygon? 360 degrees by n is equal to 22 degrees. So this implies, if you simplify, you will get n is equal to 360 by 22. Okay, if you try to divide it, 360 by 22, 21 is 22, we will get 140. So 22 5s are 22, 6 are 132, we get a remainder 8. But it is not exactly divisible. Okay? It is not exactly divisible. That means, so 22 is not the divisor of, not a divisor of 360 degrees. So it must be a divisor of 360, then only it is possible. Therefore, it is not possible to have a regular polygon. Therefore, 22 degrees is not an exterior angle of any polygon. Okay? Simply we can write, therefore it is not possible. So that's enough. Okay, now look at the B part. In that, can it be an interior angle of the regular polygon? Why? So, if 22 degrees is exterior, for example, for a polygon, just for example I have taken, if this is the exterior angle 22, then the interior angle will be 180 minus 22. Why? Because it is a linear pair. So if it is linear, if it is an interior angle, okay, then can be an interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay. Now, then what we can take? N minus 2. So let us take n minus 2 into 180 degrees. If it is an interior angle, then exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 22. That is called 158 degrees. Okay, did you understand? If it is means, if 22 degrees is an interior angle of a polygon, then exterior angle will be 180 minus 22, that is 158. 22 is also, so 180 minus 22, 158 degrees is also not a divisor of 360 degrees, therefore it is not possible. Okay, understand? So I can copy this. Now, then we will go with the sixth problem. So let us go with the sixth problem. A. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? So I will tell you. Answer is 60 degrees. Why? I will tell you. A polygon with minimum number of sides is a triangle. Okay? Then, if it is a regular polygon, then it will be an equilateral triangle. Okay? And we know that each angle in an equilateral triangle what is each angle in equilateral triangle? Is 60 degrees. Therefore, now what is the question? What is the minimum interior angle possible? Therefore, the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degrees. Did you understand? So if you try to draw a polygon with minimum number of sides, we cannot draw a polygon with less than 3 sides. So the minimum number of sides is 3 only. So obviously it is triangle. Triangle is regular, means all sides must be equal. So it is an equilateral triangle. Then what is the interior angle? Each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Therefore answer is 60. And there is another question in this problem, that is B. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So each interior angle, minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 60 degrees. Just now we have discovered. Okay. Now therefore maximum exterior angle is equal to 180 minus this interior angle, that is 120 degrees. I'll tell you how it is. So just now we have learned that an equilateral triangle is the minimum regular polygon. What is the interior angle in that? 60 degrees. Then what would be the exterior angle? 120 degrees. Okay. If it increases, this value will be decreases. So this is the maximum one, this is the minimum one. The minimum interior angle is 60, whereas the maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 120. Understand? So please copy it. So by this problem we have finished the problems from the exercise 3.2, and in the next class we are going to start the problems from the exercise 3.3. So these are all the problems based on different properties of quadrilaterals, based on the properties of quadrilaterals. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.